Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we were talking about secure boot certificates, well, I actually had made a video yesterday showing you how to know if you have the latest certificates or not. My computer came false because it had old certificates. But since I've turned on secure boot a couple of days ago, I got an update today. I was looking at what was the update, and I noticed that if I look at my update history, that I've received in the other updates, secure boot allowed key exchange key EK, the key EK update. And this is how you receive, for the most part, and probably most of you will receive a new certificate for the secure boot keys through Windows Update in this way. And so now, if I go into the PowerShell and run it as administrator and run the command, the answer is now true, which means that my PC has been updated with the latest secure boot certificates. So this came through Windows Update, and now it is fine and works well. So that means that everything is okay, and that my computer after June of this year will be fine for the secure boot certificates. One more question that came quite often is what happens if my secure boot certificates expire in June. Well, nothing. Your computer is going to still continue running and it's still going to continue working. It's just that it won't be as secure because of the security flaws that were discovered in the original certificates. Now, is that a big deal? Not that much, depending on what you do with your computer. It's more, enterprise, for example, or businesses might find it more important to fix this, but it's not that big of a deal for most users. So it's still going to work. Don't worry about it. When the key expires in June, your PC still works. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.